Hello friends, let's begin to today's video. Today's video is very interesting for beginners and who are legend in Minecraft. I will teach you how to make a mysterious and very beautiful and technology filled house. Let's start to begin. The item required is sticky piston, stone dust, redstone spawner, lever, torch and quarter starts and grass box. These all items require. Step 1, dig 10 into 8 on the ground like this. You can see how I make. You can follow this process by watching my video, or you can note down this process. After finishing this, dig another 2 into 5 middle of the block to prepare steps. Like this you should make. You can, instead of this, you can also use states. Now it's time to place your piston like this. Same on other side, place the pistons. Then place the glass blocks. After that, place the repeater like this behind them. Now the redstone dust put like this. By the way, I am putting redstone dust. Follow my steps. In this side also follow the same process. Now connect these redstone dust to middle point. Now next we have to connect it to a lever. Place one lever. After that, dig some blocks. Connect all the redstone dust to one another like this, and connect one mine gear. Now cover your base by block of dust. You can also see this. How did I made this? Next we are going to hide our sticky piston. You can also do this process in underground in your homes, because anyone cannot find your house. If anyone loot your house, they cannot loot your under base. Place the grass dirt vertically because they cannot identify easily there is your base. Now we are successfully covered the all sides. Make some states like this. Make a small room or big room, it is your choice. Now I am going to make a small room. Put some lever here also. Place dirt in at all side. See guys how it is working. I think it is working very beautiful. After that, let's try to hide our lever, because some peoples will open the levers and enter to our house. Our river is now successfully hidden. Now Now hide the lever. You should hide like that. Anyone should not have any doubt. Now you can prepare your rooms by your wish. Thank you guys for watching my video. I will meet you next video. Bye bye. See you. Thank you.